Hi, I'm George Clarke. Now, usually I can be found checking out unusual and amazing places that people call home. But today, I'm in Hackney's London Fields, and I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. Now, rather than looking at ways to create a new home, today we're looking at ways that you can protect where you live. I've teamed up with Arlo, and they provide some fantastic innovative products so you can protect your home from wherever you are. And today we're looking at the brand new Arlo video doorbell. Now, in the UK, the number of break-ins that happens to your front door is a staggering 74%. And the number of parcel thefts that happen at your front door is increasing by a quarter every single year, which means that your front door is probably one of the most vulnerable parts of your house. Now, first things first, you will need an existing wired doorbell. The brilliant thing about that is you never have to worry about changing the batteries. If you're confident with electrics, it's something that you can do yourself. If not, make sure that you contact a certified installer. And for all the instructions and information to install the doorbell, you can go to the Arlo app or check out the how-to video on YouTube. Now, the Arlo video doorbell is the first full picture doorbell. That basically means it can see so much more. You can see the person at the door really clearly from top to toe, and you can even see the parcel that's being left on your doorstep. Somebody at the door? Hello?
Delivery for George Clarke.
Yeah, brilliant. If you can just leave it on the doorstep.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Now, the small but powerful device continues to pack punches with its HD video camera and night vision, but it can also trigger a siren to scare away unwanted visitors. Now, one of the best features is that it lets you know if someone has actually pressed the bell. You've got a built-in speaker and a microphone so you can talk to the person that's on your doorstep, and you can also, if you're not able to answer directly, leave them a pre-recorded message and they can leave you a voicemail. Now, to further enhance your protection, for a small fee every month, you can sign up for Arlo Smart subscription. That provides lots of fantastic additional features, like the ability to differentiate between people, vehicles, parcels, and even animals. There's also a 30-day cloud storage option so that everything is completely backed up and you can provide that vital video information to the police or your insurers if needed. So that's a little bit about the Arlo video doorbell and how it can protect one of the most vulnerable parts of your home. It's simple and it's effective, and it gives you confidence to open your front door and order deliveries to your home, knowing that you're protected. For more information, check out the link in this video and stay tuned for my next video exploring more security products.